The TECHING DM116 Engine Kit is a beautifully crafted model that mirrors the intricate designs of modern automobile engines, with precision cast and machined parts made from anodized aluminum and stainless steel. With over 230 components, this comprehensive kit ensures each piece is meticulously organized and protected, facilitated by a detailed, full-color instruction manual. The kit features a realistic simulation model where the electric motor drives the 5-cylinder radial engine, allowing observers to witness the dynamic operation of the engine. This engine kit serves as an excellent educational tool, promoting understanding of engineering principles and the thrill of assembling a complex mechanical model. Although it is not suitable for young children due to small parts, the kit offers a wonderful opportunity for adults and older children to engage in a rewarding learning activity together. The TECHING DM116 Engine Kit is not only a captivating display piece but also a testament to the marvels of engineering, providing a glimpse into the mechanics of real-world engines.